Hey Creator Crew, I have some exciting news for you. You may have seen the video that I did previously on how to make YouTube Shorts. We didn't have access to the YouTube Shorts camera, so we kind of had to rig it and make regular videos that would appear on the Shorts shelf. The good news is the YouTube Shorts camera has arrived here in the US, so check your mobile device, check your app, and I'm going to show you exactly how you go about accessing the YouTube Shorts camera. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're on the most recent update on your phone and app. Once you do that, we are going to open the YouTube app. I'm going to show you exactly where you go here to access it. We're going to bring up my channel. All right, so here we are logged into the YouTube app. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the plus. And when you pull that up, that's where you would normally upload a video. You'll see that you now have the option to create a short. It says in beta. I'm going to do my best to click this button from back here. There you can see we now have the YouTube Shorts camera. It's very similar to what you would expect on TikTok. We'll do a future video where we go through all of the different options we have on the YouTube Shorts camera, but I wanted to show you, this is it. It is available here in the US, so check your mobile device, check the YouTube app, and let me know in the comments, do you see the YouTube Shorts camera now on your mobile device? It's pretty exciting stuff. Can't wait to use it and start making videos directly from the camera instead of the roundabout way we had to do it with the hashtag shorts and all that stuff. So let me know if you plan on using this new feature, and can't wait to see what kind of shorts everybody makes now that we have the YouTube Shorts camera here in the US.